Alright, hey YouTube, it's Mr. Pride, and I'm going to show you how to make a forum user title for your forums. So the first thing I did was I made a new canvas, 126 by 30, and I'll put the link for the download for this part because this part's different to make. So I'll just give you the link for it if you don't feel like trying to figure it out. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make two more layers above this, and I am going to click on the first layer that I made. I'm going to go to the rectangular marquee tool up here, and I'm going to select around the halfway point of my thing, and I'm going to fill that with white to give it a nice reflection. Alright, once you've filled that with white, go over here, right click on your layer, and then create a clipping mask. And then also take down the opacity to wherever you like it. I prefer around I prefer around probably 16%, maybe. No, 8%. I prefer around 8%. And then second thing you're going to do is you're going to get on the second layer that you made, and you're going to go over to your pattern stamp tool, and I'll also give you the link in the description for this pattern that I'm using. And you're just going to go over it like that. And I want to change the color of this, so I'm going to select the pixels, and then I want to change the color to probably a blue. Probably a nice dark, no, not dark, maybe a kind of light, kind of dark blue. You don't have to do this, you could just start out with that. Or yeah, so that's what I have. Next thing you're gonna do is alright, and then you're gonna go over here to your layer thumbnail for the blue, for the background part, and you're going to select pixels, and then that's when you want to come over here and click on your quick selection tool and right click, select inverse, and then click on the layer that you put the pattern on, and then press delete, so that way the pattern stays inside of your inside of your background. You might want to change the opacity on it. I know I do. So I'm going to take it down to maybe right there, 44%. Okay, now once I've done that, I'm also going to add my text next. My favorite font would probably be one up here. Which one is it? I think it's this one. Body MT condescend extra bold, something like that. I'll just tell you in the description as well. I prefer all caps, but you don't have to. And then I'm going to take the size down to around, that's really small. I'll go for around 14. Oh, no, I wanted white. Maybe we can go, no, let's go 16, maybe 15. Yeah, 15 should be fine. Yeah, so I chose 15. Now have your text selected, press Control A, go to layer, align layers to selection, vertical centers, do the same thing except this time go to horizontal centers, and then hit Control D. Now do the same thing with your background layer. Hit Control A, layer, align layers to selection, vertical centers, do it again, horizontal centers. Let's see, is there anything else that I'm forgetting? I don't think there is. So that's your thing, that's your user title. I'll show you the set that I've made. They're actually in the recycling bin because I deleted them because I didn't need them anymore. Hold hold on, let me get them out real quick and I'll show you. Restore. And I think those are all the ones that I've made. So there's my administrator, graphic team, gaming team, and there's my moderator. But I used a different pattern for this one. I used it, and instead of using a straight reflection, I used a curved one. And if you're wondering where I got the idea to make ones that look like that, I got them from GameFix.com, but that's not my site. I have a different site that I'll put in the description. And yeah, so yeah, alright, well, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you use it in the future.